job. We're gonna pull it back, and then I'll be able to see where the water's dumping in at.
Well, do you want this thing on?
No, let me turn that off. I'm not locating anymore. Thank you. This allows me to get a clearer view.
Yeah.
So, my guess is matter of fact, shut that water down if you can.
In the kitchen?
No, is that this kitchen that you have on right now?
No, well, it's for laundry.
I want to be able to see what everything coming back, and then we'll get it.
That's the clay pipe you're talking about? The sewer's always clay pipe, right?
Not all. Normally,
Like
some of it's SDR. Most of it on this side of town is kind of clay. It's clay.
Does that last longer?
Orangeburg. That's what they put in back in the day. Every single joint has a.
How do you it's glue?
Start pulling it out. There's gloves in there too. I can see them right now.
You guys already jetted it?
Yeah, we did.
So all that stuff that we saw was after the fact.
That's the stuff. So, that's the flakes, the scale that's on the falling off the pipe. If we had access to like a two-way clean out downstream, we could suck it out. Because on the tip of the jetter, there's the sprayers are on the back of it. On the head, they're on the back.
Okay. So
That's how that hose goes in.
Oh, okay.
Got it? Because the jets are pushing so hard it sucks the hose in. Because other than that, we're not getting it in there.
Right.
I get it now.
Slowly.
Ready?
Yeah, slowly.
You want a new driveway?
No, I don't want a new driveway.
Yeah.
That's a belly. What we call in the field.
So how long do I have?
I'd be a millionaire if I could tell you that. I wouldn't be working. I'd be at everyone's door.
Where's all that
Your
water
pipes.
coming
I was
from?
like, yeah. That's just residual from when you turn off the water. Slow down. When you're pulling it back, just go slow down. I'm trying to find that piece where it's... Oh, it should be close to it. It's not revealing itself right now with that water there. That pipe's broken. At 60 feet.
At 60?
Yeah, there's a... You can see. You'll be able to see it in the video.
There. Well, it was just a piece of paper cut. Sorry. There.
Oh, so he sees it and you see it at the same time?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another screen.
So you can see that on that side. So I have this in handy so that I'm not bumping heads with everybody who wants to see.
Right.
It's like a turn. That's a turn right there. That's debris.
Wow.
So that's going to catch some toilet paper.
Right.
So that's I understand now. I thought your jet was going forward. I didn't understand the jet was like hitting something and spraying backwards.
Yeah. So I can put a different head on there. I'm not 100%. I can push all that out.
So my toilets work like today?
That should work.
No.
Well,
So, do you want me to give a class on how to use toilet paper?
No, I just want to know if I can use the bathroom or not.
you can use the bathroom.
Yeah.
This pipe is in better condition than the bathroom pipe. Believe it or not. This pipe is in better condition than this pipe here in the bathroom.
Okay.
And there's a clean out outside the window. See all that?
Yeah.
There's supposed to be somebody buried it.
It's buried. Pipe's in bad shape at the top of there.
Oh, there's another spot that's in bad shape.
There's
The
a
whole
few.
A
pipe
few
is
of
in
them.
bad shape.
Oh.
Stop. Go forward. Slow down. Go forward. Clean out. You see it? See? You guys learn quick.
I've seen this.
It's got to be a clean out. Why? Because you don't
It
have
doesn't go up.
you don't have a bathroom over 30 feet out, right?
in the
So
driveway,
as soon as you
underneath
see
the
a
boat.
connection, you're like, yep, that's a clean out. That's definitely a clean out right there by the boat. So the pipes goes in. That's why it's 30 feet, because it goes in and then back out. And that's the turn that we see that's damaged. It's that turn going back out where you keep going.
So the only way to fix this is to tear up the driveway? I want pavers if you're going to redo it for me.
Yeah, you're gonna have to probably tear up the driveway. But before
Oh, the driveway is shit.
I make that comment on camera, because this everything is
Being
recorded.
recorded.
I'm not gonna.
I know. I was on your YouTube channel.
You've been there.
Yeah.
You can hear some stuff on some of those videos, bro. I tell you what.
I didn't watch too many of them. I was just watching on my phone in the restaurant after you were here.
So in your best
New message, standing by.
in your best estimate, if you want to put me on mute, it's fine. I won't hold you to it. What's my timing and how much is it going to cost us? Do you have any idea? Like, do we have to do it within the next month? Do we have to
Well, when it goes back to the three of us, it's not going to be a
Yeah,
problem.
you guys can probably get
for a little
by.
while? Get
What?
by for what does that mean though? Get by for like a couple months? Or?
You know, ration the flushes.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put in the toilet paper down there.
Okay.
How about that?
All right. So just line the bathroom.
Not even you.
So line the bathroom cans
Come on, I'll
for
show
a
you
bit.
how to do it.
And
Not with
then
that Charmin. Got to use that one ply.
how much does it cost about?
I've got it. I can't.
You don't know.
Not right now.
That's not what you're talking about, right?
What?
Churn?
I haven't seen it yet. We'll see it. Trust me, you'll see it.
So I guess you can't tell if there was something before. Because when the other
Before,
guy-
you could tell that pipe's been in a bad shape for years.
Right. But the other guy, I'm not sure what he did.
What are you
But he
doing?
just showed me up to, like,
Take it out.
I went to
Use the towel.
black.
Stop.
What is that?
What's that?
That's the snake that I was using. That broke.
So that's not helping my life either. He said no.
He said, no what?
I said that's not helping my life at all, is it? And he said,
So it's 9 feet, so that's the corner of the house-ish? Or
No.
where is
No,
it?
no.
That's the hallway.
Oh.
That's right under. This is the sink. This is the bathroom sink right here. It's
So
going
I
up,
might be able to
up
take
the
that
sink.
out of there that way.
Yeah, I'll open the sink up and I'll show you about that. So go ahead and pull
There's
that
no
out.
shit under there. What's all the shit under
Slow down.
Underwear.
Slow down.
under the sink?
So this is.
what do you mean? Stuff?
Go back. Go back. This is the bad spot right here. This is where all the water is getting choked up at. Because that turn right there,
Yeah.
and the volume of the water plus the width, the diameter of the pipe on the inside,
Yeah.
it's not handling that, and everything's going to get caught up here. If you back it up some, it's going to get smaller.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
So that's the 90. That's turning back that way.
So
Okay.
the house is too heavy. It's actually weighing on the pipe.
It's
Right?
definitely, it's that in the boat. I mean, just saying. Could be. All
So we
right,
have
go
to
ahead.
sell the boat,
Go ahead and pull
tear
it.
up the driveway, call it a day. I don't know.
Where's your property? Is it...
I think it's kind of where that pipe is. The
Just
sprinkler.
look at the corner of the fence.
Oh yeah,
That's
the
our
corner of the fence.
understanding.
Oh, that's the...
It's not a clean out. That's the tub. That's the tub. You're coming. You're like right here.
There you go.
Got to clean out.
All right.